very first thing we want to do is to open up your camera. So after you open up your camera, next thing you need to do is to switch to video. Now you have everything dark right here. Now how you can turn on your flashes lights to capture stunning video. So if I try to hold this particular right here, so if I try to stop the recording, now let's see after we turn on the light. And for us to turn the light on, what we need to do is to click on here. Have a click on that, we make sure we click on here. Have a click on that, we make sure we click on here. Now we have the light right here. Now you have three options right here. You can switch to warm, you can switch to cool right here. So you can disable this and then switch to this or this. So this depends on how you want the lights to be lightened up. So take a look at it. This is warm and this is primary lightning. So if you want to put it in a full lightning, simply switch to this. So I'm going to simply go back to the lightning, then switch to this. Then we start recording. Then let's play the video. So this is after and this is before. This is after and this is before. It's that simple. For more tutorial about best camera setting on Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.